Hello, my name is Emily Fickett, and today I will be teaching you about photosynthesis from Chapter 6, where it starts, photosynthesis. When you hear the word photosynthesis, what does it make you think of? Does it make you wonder why we're about to learn about photography in a biology class? Or maybe you already know it has something to do with plants, but you're just not quite sure what that is yet. For me, I always think of that SpongeBob episode where SpongeBob lies on the ground and he's pretending to be photosynthesis. First, we need to discuss the function that plants have before we get to the details. Plants give off oxygen. Oxygen is the gas we breathe in order to keep us alive. Oxygen is created through the process of photosynthesis. Now, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process where plants make glucose and oxygen. Plants synthesize food through carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Photosynthesis generally involves the green pigment chlorophyll and generates oxygen as a byproduct. Sunlight enters the leaf in the chloroplast and traps the light energy. Water then enters through the roots of the plants, and carbon dioxide enters through the air. Sugar is formed during photosynthesis, and then oxygen is released at the end of photosynthesis. Sometimes you'll see photosynthesis written in a formula kind of like the one here. The left side of the formula contains carbon dioxide plus water, and then the right side of the formula contains glucose plus oxygen, with the arrow in the middle representing the sunlight. There are two different reactions during photosynthesis: the dependent reaction and the light-independent reaction. The light-dependent reaction happens in the thylakoids. Thylakoids are found in chloroplasts. They are in neat stacks called a granum. An easy way to remember the granum is it looks like a very, very small stack of green pancakes. In this reaction, light is converted into ATP and NADPH, and then the water is split. And this is how oxygen is produced. The light-independent reaction, also called the Calvin cycle, or maybe you've heard it referred to as the dark reaction. This reaction can also be found in the chloroplast. It occurs in the stroma. The stroma is a liquid-like form surrounding the pancake-like structures known as the granum. In order for it to work correctly, carbon dioxide has an additional help from ATP. The ATP supplies energy, while the NADPH supplies reducing power. When these are all formed together, they create glucose. This is the process of photosynthesis. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below.